Today I'll show you how to create a Google Ads account. This is quick and easy, guys. For those of you who don't know, Google Ads puts the power of advertising in the hands of business owners, big and small. It lets you run ad campaigns, and if you already have a Google account, it's super simple to set up. So once you're at ads.google.com, all you want to do is click on Start Now, and just like that, you are in. And you can begin creating your first ad campaign. I would recommend using Chrome so you don't have to constantly sign into your Google account. Now you can link your website, business phone number, YouTube, and other social media, so far as to link your business's location through Google Maps. You then have things like goals. It's all about where you want to direct your ad traffic. Google Ads, or specifically online ad campaigns, are very important, especially in today's digital world. I hope the video helped you, and if it did, hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a beautiful day.